settle into a comfortable position, making sure you will not be disturbed. Close your eyes and take a deep inhale for the count of 4. Hold for 2 seconds and exhale for the count of 4. While you are inhaling, say to yourself, breathing in. On exhale, say, breathing out. Repeat this sequence 6 times while focusing on your breathing. Now, I want you to place all your attention on your feet. Our feet work so hard for us throughout the day. So thank them for all that they do. Imagine a bright, silvery, white light flow into both your feet. Feel your feet relaxing. You may start to feel a tingling sensation, but don't panic if you don't feel this straight away. It will come with practice. Bring the light up towards your knees, feeling your lower legs and knees relax. Bring the bright light slowly up towards your groin area. Feel your thighs relax. Imagine your thigh muscles completely letting go, becoming loose and soft. Allow the light to travel up towards your hips, letting go of any tension. Feel the bright light traveling up towards your heart, past your stomach and navel area. Let go of your stomach muscles completely. We often clench and hold a lot of tension in this area, so it is important to release and let go. As the bright light travels up towards the tip of your head, feel your chest relax, your shoulders, neck, and lower jaw muscles relax. Release any tension you are holding in your cheeks and forehead. Now, bring the bright light down your arms, past your elbows, out through your hands. You may feel a tingling sensation in your hands. Remain in this state of total relaxation while continuing to focus on your breathing. Feel your entire body unwind and let go. Now, I want you to visualize your dream house. Imagine standing at the beginning of the driveway, looking up towards the front of your house. Notice the color and shape of the house. Notice how many windows there are. Open the gate and walk up the driveway towards the front door. Smell the freshly cut grass and notice the different colored flowers in the garden. When you get to the front door, reach into your pocket, take out the keys and unlock the door. When you step into the hallway, notice the smell of a newly decorated house. As you take a look around, notice the stairway on the right hand side. Notice how it sweeps up into a beautiful curve. As you make your way to the kitchen, living area, hear your footprints on the wooden floor. Notice the color of the doors and door handles. As you walk into the kitchen, the living area, notice how open it is, how bright and airy. See the long, wide glass paneled sliding doors in front of you with glorious views outside. Look to your right and see your perfect kitchen. Notice the color scheme and the color of the worktops. See your top end appliances, cooker, fridge, ice machine, the coffee machine, the microwave, the grill. On the left, notice your beautiful living area. Sit on the couch and feel how soft it is. Rub your hands along the cushions to feel their texture. Look up to the wall and see your perfect TV mounted to the wall. Now open the sliding doors and smell the freshly cut grass again. Feel the air on your face. Take off your shoes and walk around the garden. Feel the soft grass under your feet. Smell your flowers. Make your way back inside the house. Before you go upstairs, step into the main dining room. Notice the large fireplace, beautiful dining table and chairs, and the surrounding decor. Go into your office at the end of the stairs. and look at your desk. See your top end computer and everything you need for a well functioning office. Now make your way up the stairs. Feel the soft carpet on the stairs as you walk up. Look at the family photos on the wall. As you walk towards your master suite, notice the beautiful spare rooms on the way past. When you enter your main bedroom, notice the size and direction of the bed. Open the balcony doors to let some air in. While you walk around, notice the fantastic view from your balcony. Lie down on your bed and feel how comfortable it is. Smell the freshly laundered sheets. Make your way into the ensuite bathroom and feel the tiled floor under your feet. Notice your large walk-in shower, your jacuzzi bath, double sink area, and the toilet. Wash your hands at the sink using your scented hand wash. Dry off your hands and smell them. They smell fresh and clean. Now walk through to the closet area. Notice how big your closet is. Look at your beautiful clothes and shoes neatly arranged. Making your way out of the main bedroom, close the door behind you and step into each spare bedroom. Notice the color scheme, decor, bed position, the feel of the soft carpet beneath your feet, and the size of the ensuite. When you get back downstairs, open the door to the main living area again. Walk out to the back garden and lie down on the deck chair. As the deck chair faces the back of the house, look up and notice how many windows there are. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and just relax in this moment. Hear the sounds of the birds coming from the trees. Smell the air. Feel the warmth on your skin. Pause in this feeling for several minutes. Now, repeat these affirmations to yourself. I deserve this house. I have a beautiful home. My house fulfills my every need. My garden fulfills my every need. I can afford my dream house with ease. I create a beautiful home for my family. I have my dream home. Thank you. I am grateful to have such a beautiful house. I am designing the house of my dreams. I see beauty all around my garden. I feel completely at ease in my house. My home is a safe, comfortable environment. I have wonderful neighbors. I love my new home and neighborhood. I surround myself with objects in my house that make me happy. I feel content in my home. My beautiful home is a reflection of my beautiful mind. Now, take a moment to feel gratitude and joy for your wonderful life and the continuous miracles it produces. Take several deep breaths and slowly count from 5 to 1. Starting at 5, you begin to wake up from the meditative state. 4. You are becoming more alert. 3. Stretch your arms up and take a deep breath. 2. Slowly begin to open your eyes. 1. Open your eyes fully. You are now fully awake, feeling refreshed and energized.